Talk me through the process of coming up against the limits of, I think we were at 1 million lines of code context relationally before this, coming up to that limit and then solving towards infinite.
Well, I think the key driving factor from us going to, let's say, 1 million lines of code to infinite, right, is the ability of the models to be able to do more with the context, right? So Claude 3.7 is significantly better than 3.5 at working with a larger context. Even though it has 200K tokens, it is able to do more with that context, right? Gemini, with its 1 million context window, is even better, right? O3 Mini is, again, one of our favorites. Really good at structured outputs, really good at specific use cases. And we also use the Meta Llama stack. The point is, there are now a lot of competitive models out there. Claude is no longer the only great coding model, and OpenAI is no longer the only great image model or the only great creative model, right? Because of that, we're able to build this system that really marries the strengths of the best models in the world, right? And is able to produce this experience by leveraging all of their strengths, where effectively you're able to achieve infinite code context, right? It's not an infinite context window.
Yeah, of course not.
We're not loading everything up simultaneously into your code, into your memory, right? To get you to do things. But the point is that you don't have to do that, right? Even at runtime, when you're processing a use case, it is modularized, it is containerized, right? And you can focus on the principle of relevance. So if a developer is making a change, they're going to work on a specific set of files at a time, right? That's how developers can even work with 20 million line repos, right? We mimicked the same process and we automated it exponentially at that scale, right? Where we can deal with, we're no longer limited by the size and scale of the code base, and we are able to contextualize the specific files, components, and modules that are relevant to the task at hand, and we're able to recruit dynamically any number of agents that we need to fulfill that task, and then get them to coordinate and work with each other and deliver that result to the customer with some degree of validation.